Hey guys, how's it going? It's Kyle here again from Toobs Distribution. Welcome to episode number 15 of a Toobs Talk. Today we're going to be talking about the Canadian lumber papers. All right, we are the only distributor here in the US with Canadian lumber, and for the past 6.5 months, we've been able to get this in over 850 stores in the US. All right, so all of their papers currently on the market are 1.25 inches, okay? They're kind of artisano style, where there's a rolling tray on the back, and there's 22 tips included in each pack. Now you're gonna have the greens, you're gonna have the woods, and you're gonna have the hippie. All right, so now that you've seen the outside of the box on the 1.25 inch papers, one thing I did wanna mention, they do have king size papers coming, tips, and additional rolling trays that you're gonna see roll out over the next 6 months, so pay attention. All right, let's talk about the greens. Hemp fibers sourced from Bangladesh that allow you to keep the consumption strictly to the materials provided by the cannabis plant. The taste of the cannabis will be unaltered by non-cannabis materials. Like other papers, the greens are unbleached and all natural. 100% unbleached pure hemp. They're 13 GSM, they got 100% pure Arabic gum to close it off, and it's 100% Bengalese hemp. Unrefined pulp paper and 22 packs per box. All right, let's get into the hippies. This is a favorite here at Toobs. This is an innovative combination of Indian flax seeds and Bengalese hemp that come together to form a lightweight paper. Like all the other papers, these are routinely tested for allergens and a variety of nuts. It's a 50-50 unbleached pure hemp and flaxseed. These are also 13 GSM, 100% pure Arabic gum to close it down, 100% all natural flaxseed, and 100% all natural hemp. Unrefined pulp paper, again, 22 packs per box. And last but not least, let's talk about the woods. Crafted from wood pulp and pressed into the thinnest paper, the woods have a natural brown coloring, allowing you to keep the authentic joint look, which we like. The unrefined pulp allows for a heavier smoke without the harsh added chemicals. It's 100% wood pulp. Now this is 12.5 GSM, 100% pure Arabic gum, all natural wood, and unrefined pulp paper, and again, 22 per pack. So I've got one piece of the greens paper here, and what we're gonna do is a good old-fashioned burn test like I explained. So you're gonna watch this paper burn from this corner, it'll even up and come all the way across. There's gonna be no ash, no smell, and no harsh chemicals coming from this paper. So tune in, ready? Now the Toobs team here, we've had a ton of experience smoking not only the woods, the hippie, and the greens, but everything that Canadian lumber has actually given us, whether it's been a sample or just the papers. And we have to tell you, from an aspect of quality, they test from everything from mad cow disease to nuts and allergies, and we'd have to say these are some of the best papers we've ever smoked. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in today. This is episode number 15. We had so much fun explaining Canadian lumber to you and showing you why this product is so unique to the Toobs lineup. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to us on Instagram at Toobs Distribution or jump on our website and give us a call. This product has done so well for us. We've had so many reorders and so many customers raving to the store owners about how much they love this product. So we hope that you'll pick it up, and we hope to continue to have an excellent business relationship with all of you. Eh?